Nice to meet you, Mihoko Pooley. I'm Mihoko Pooley. I live in Middle Asian. Sauna chiba in Japan hamio hus. I'm making a traditional Japanese sweet called shiratama. I came to the UK 20 years ago to do some volunteer work in Oxford. And that's where I met my husband. We moved to Scotland when our son was born, and we have been here for 9 years. I didn't really know much about Gaelic when I came to Scotland. When my son started school, I started learning the language as well, and I enjoy being part of such a warm community. I used to learn origami clubs in English at school. Now that my Gaelic is improving, hodohelim na klavichen ianov sa Gaelic. Ori means folding in Japanese, and kami means paper. It's a big part of our culture, and I find it really therapeutic. I try to go home to Japan once a year, but I also speak to my mom online.
こんにちは。
元気でしたか？元気、大丈夫よ。I teach Japanese at a university, so I know the effort it takes to learn a language. はい、さよなら。